Yeah, Scott from Wessex Blades here. You're gonna be philosophical about it. Won't be going to the bushcraft show. If you can hear what I'm saying, cam belt's gone. But I'm safe. I'll see you when I get home, thanks to green flagging this chap here. I nearly made it off the M4. Wessex Blades. Angle on wiggle. I don't know about you, but that ain't supposed to be like that. Anyways, I'm safe, I'm sound. It cost me 64 quid to get off the motorway. I'm in one piece. Yeah. What else can be said? I'm alright. I managed to find the only lay-by on the M4 M5 interchange. Just right, just literally went across 2 lanes, found somewhere to pitch up. They got the green flag sorted out, picked me up and took me on. Sorry guys, have to see you next year.